Hello and welcome to this week's Munimade Monday. These Munimade Monday videos, if you are new here, are a wonderful way for us to feature a brand new diamond painting that's coming to Munimade. So let me introduce myself. My name is Shay. I do have my own YouTube channel, which will be linked down below. That's Crafting with Shay. So if you want more diamond painting content and want to come hang out with me over there, please do. Em and I from Munimade actually partnered together to create these videos. So definitely leave her a comment, say hello to her. She reads your comments. We read these together, we do these together, and it's been so much fun. And I love the opportunity that I've had becoming friends with her and being able to showcase these amazing brand new diamond paintings for you guys. So this artist may look familiar to you. It is one that we have had other paintings from. We love him so much. This is from Sachin Sachdeva. Now, Sachin is a coloring book artist. And if you like this painting and others, even if they're out of stock, make sure you do the back in stock alerts. Put your email in there and that way you'll get notified. Some of you may have already had a lot of his, paintings. They are adorable. Look at this cutie patootie right here. It is so cute. And once I tell you all the details, you're going to be surprised. I was, because it's the size and for the amount of ABs and special drills that are in it is amazing. So, all right. So again, it is from Sachin and he is a coloring book artist. And I'll also pop up some pictures of Color Me pages. I've actually done one myself. I'll actually pop up one of those ones I did from Munimade. You can use your leftover drills to color your own diamond painting and do what you want with it. So love the concept. So definitely add those. If you're going to get this, that would be a really good fun thing to add to it. So let's talk about this painting, okay? All right, now this is our sticker sheet, right? The entire thing is a sticker. It's got all your information on here. Here's the original artwork. Let's just look at this. So you've got these two little guys right here, two little babies. You've got a kitty, it looks like, and it looks like a tiger. The tiger's got his raincoat on and the cat's like, I just need my little frog umbrella. And there's even a little frog kind of poking his head out over the little hill right there. They're splashing and it's called Dancing in the Rain. And it is a square, okay, for all you square lovers out there or the folks that like both. This is a great painting. It is only a 40 by 40 in centimeters. I say only, it's not one of the big huge ones. It's not the real tiny ones. I love the sizes of these. A 40 by 40 in centimeters is amazing. Now what I do is I do cut off this, just cut off the sticker sheet right here, and I put this in my logbook. I just have a spiral notebook that I just stick it in and I get to fill all this information out, okay? And then anything else I want to add on the side. Now, 40 by 40 in centimeters, there are 47 colors, okay? Amazing. Now you can see all the ones that are highlighted in a different color. Those are all the special drills. So we've got, let's see, how many shimmers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer drills. And then 1, 2, 3 ABs. So it is chock full of special drills. Basically, like every color, the main color you see in this is going to have a special drill to it. So I did kind of take a look already and wrote some notes down. So I love these big fat raindrops that are coming down. And the pink flowers, got the flowers up here. It's just so fun. They have their rain boots on. Can't forget about those. Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, these are stickers as well, like I said, but these are already individually cut. So you can just peel them and put them right on your storage containers, okay? And she gives you some extra ones as well. So this thing is so important and so valuable. Along with this handy dandy little elastic band here. It's on really heavy cardstock. It's also got all the information on the painting. So depending on how you store it, you can keep this in a logbook. You can actually put this inside the pack of drills if you store them separately. You can roll up your diamond painting until you're ready to work on it, and this keeps it closed. Also, you'll know what diamond painting it is. It comes in, I love, love, love this. So who knew, right? Who knew it would be so handy? So everybody gets one of these with their painting, okay? So let's talk about the drills. I kind of held at the pack for a minute, but let me show you these. Look at this beautiful rainbow of colors. And of course, I pulled out all the special ones right here, which we'll go over all of those. All the different shades of green, pink, blue, yellow. I mean, just unbelievable. Now, these are individually bagged, okay, and in order. So if you don't want to kit up, meaning if you don't want to move these over to a storage unit to like little boxes, you can just work straight out of the baggies and you're good to go. You can just start right away. So Oh, and also it does have the SKU number right here. It's also listed on the diamond painting. It's listed on here. It's listed on the sticker sheet. So if you keep anything in separate places, you'll know what goes to what. Okay, so I really like that they do that. It's very nice. All right, so the special drills are right here. We'll look at all those in just a minute. I just want to point out, I just want to take a look at this painting. It is so cute. Look at the rendering. I mean, his art is meant for diamond painting, in my opinion. It's just so cute. He does a lot of different things. Definitely go follow him on Instagram. Speaking of that, I love that Munimade definitely wants to support the artist because all of these are licensed. The artist does get paid. So go follow him on Instagram. Okay, if you want to go check that out, sachdeva.art, and that's on Instagram. There's Munimade, of course. And now we've got the legend, long legend here on the bottom left, okay, depending on where you are in the diamond painting if you need to refer to that. And then there's one on the top right, and it does have the thumbnail right there, okay? And then over here it also has another thumbnail. It's got all the information right there. So, you know, it does have the scalloped edges. Her canvases just feel, they're so, so nice. It's got the really nice thick plastic. I mean, no bubbles, no, it's just beautiful. And this was rolled up. I've had this for over a month, probably 2 months. Yeah. And it's been rolled up and I just unrolled it and look how flat it is. You can just start, I mean, I'm not kidding y'all. I just unrolled it and just started taking a few notes and then here we are. So self-flattening, top notch, top notch. All right. So let's go ahead and cover the special drills. Okay. All right. The first one is, like I said, there's 47 colors. Let's talk about the shimmers, okay? 7 shimmers, 3 ABs. So we're gonna start off with pretty in pink. I try to describe the different shades of things. This to me is just your traditional pretty pink, right? Okay, this is gonna be in the cat's ears, okay? A little bit right here. Let me zoom y'all in just a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. In the cat's ears and in the flowers, the 2 flowers on both sides, and in the rainbow, just a little pink right there. So it's kind of popping in a different place, couple different places. Oh, also in the kitty's face right here, kind of shading his cheek right there. So that's gonna be 605, forgot to get the number, 605 ND. ND is shimmer. So let's talk about the shimmers. I got ahead of myself. Let me bring this up close for y'all. The shimmer is just a really, really light dusting of a coating. That's why it's called a shimmer. It's not too heavy. Doesn't take away the color. You can just see a little bit of it right there. It's just so subtle. I love it. It's a nice little accent to these paintings. Some of the ABs can be a little strong, which I also love that, but at times it's nice just to have a little simpler touch, okay? All right, so our next one is gonna be 39. Look at this green, and there's a big bag of this. Now you can kind of see the coating on this one better. So you can tell on the back side of them, which by the way, her drills are super flat. Look at the bottoms. It's the only time, y'all, I tell you, it's the only time it's good to have a flat bottom, right, is on a drill. So you can see that's gonna be the color without the coating, and then look at the coating now on the top. Gorgeous. All right, so this is 701. So I call it a Kelly green. It's like a dark green. This is gonna be in the grass here on the bottom. Also kind of in the leaves, okay? In these leaves that are kind of right here. Also in the hills. I was calling these little hills right here. I don't know exactly what they are, mounds, hills, I'm not really sure. Let me know what you think. Maybe it's a berry of some kind, I don't know. Sachin, what are these? So we wanna know, yes. So they're in this, okay? So you're gonna have this is gonna be in all the green, basically. Except for the umbrella. I don't, nope, oh, I take that back, I do see it. A little touch right here on the outline and over here. So yeah, it's gonna be all over. That's gonna look so good. All right, the next one is 40. This is another shimmer. And look at this color, 762. It's a really, really light gray. This is gonna be outlining the water at the bottom and in the water drops and the big fat drops that we were looking at. So it's kind of gonna be down here outlining this little stream, kind of like where the stream's kind of going. And it's gonna be in these big fat drops here and also in some of these big fat water drops here, okay? So I have noticed after I looked through all these, our little tiger right here doesn't have a lot. He's gonna be kind of a neutral, kind of not, he doesn't wanna really shine. He's letting the kitty shine and let everything else around him shine. He's just kind of here. I mean, he's gonna look great, but I didn't see a whole lot here. But again, as y'all know, and if you are new to diamond painting, you can probably figure it out, but you can add whatever you want. This is your diamond painting. So have fun, add if you want to add, but he's perfect the way he is. Now, I am in love with this color. Another Shimmer 796. All I wrote down for this one in my notes was beautiful blue, and I even put little smiley face. This blue like took my breath away. I was like, oh, can I have some earrings in this, please? Maybe a ring? My birthstone is a sapphire, so yes, gorgeous. Now, this is gonna be in the darker blue of the sky. You can kind of see right here. So you see that darker navy blue here, and also over here, kind of it's just that kind of the background, kind of the sky almost, I guess, different. The dark blue, you're gonna see this, okay? And then the very next one is very, very similar. I almost had a hard time, but it's 820. It's another shade of blue, another big bag. That's also gonna be in those same dark blues. You're gonna have two shades of that dark blue in the background. Okay, this next one is a baby blue. So we have more blue, because there's a lot of blue and green in here. It is springtime, it looks like it's raining, could be summer. It's actually raining a lot here, so this is a perfect painting to talk about today. So 827, really pretty shimmer. See that light coating on that? That's gonna be in the water. It's down here in this light blue water. I can kind of see it sprinkled, kind of like the drops. It's not the big water drops, but it's like just lighter speckles throughout here that they want kind of to stand out a little bit more. So I love that. All right, our next one, this is 44, and this is that 3865. It's a very, very popular color. Another shimmer, it's got that light coating. It's a really pretty white. It's a nice accent to most paintings. Most of the Munimades that I've done videos for have 3865 as a special drill. You can't go wrong with it. Okay, this is gonna be in the water drops. These big white drops are going to have that white shimmer in here, and that's gonna look so good. I love that. Small disclaimer, I don't know if you can hear my French bulldog, my little Frenchie snoring in the background, but I'm sorry if it's, but he's just snoozing away on this gray, rainy day. All right, here's our last three drills. Look at this. These are ABs. Can you see the difference? It's a heavier coating. We've got 700, 775, and a little pop of red. It's always nice to have. I also feel like that way with an outfit. You can't go wrong with like some red shoes. All right, so let's talk about this 45. A lot of beautiful green. I'm calling this gorgeous green. This gorgeous green is gonna be in the grass in the bottom, okay, kind of highlighting the outer areas of it and kind of the bottom, or that you see the darker green. It's also going to be in the leaves and the greenery behind them, kind of the darker green right here and some of these areas. So that green, that's a huge bag of ABs. Look at that. So pretty. I mean, these will sparkle, and they're also gonna make their drills around them sparkle as well. So nice of them. I'm in love with this one as well. Look at this seafoam green, 775 AB. Now this is gonna be, the seafoam green was really cool. It's almost like a, kind of like a shading, something to pop your eye around the outline of things. I'm trying to describe this in the best artsy way that I can, but this is gonna be in the water at the bottom. Okay, so down in the water, I definitely see spots outlining the umbrella, kind of right here. I guess they want your eye to kind of go right there. And it's also gonna be outlining the rainbow, where you see kind of that light kind of color right there. That's gonna be in the rainbow. So I love that. And our last one, like I said, a little pop of red. It's like I said, a little outfit, pop on some red shoes, you're good to go. 891. It's like a light red, right? Another AB. This is gonna be in the kitty's rain boots. It's gonna be in his collar or her collar. Let's say her, because she's got a little bow. It's gonna be in the red bow right here. And in these flowers and these flowers, okay? And I also see one drill right there in his ear, so I take that back. Our tiger is going to have a little pop of red in his ear. Yes. So what do you guys think? Is this not adorable? I wanted to call it like a rainy day kit because of course it's got, the cute little animals, pouncing around in the rain and just being carefree and having fun. This is what we should be doing, right, in the rain. I mean, come on, you got the cute umbrella. Yeah. Oh yeah, the umbrella's got the rainbow in it too. Isn't that cute? But I mean, so sweet. They're having a great time. But again, I like this as like a snack size. It's a 40 by 40. It's a nice little palette cleanser. If you like to do the bigger ones, it's nice to have this in between. It makes you happy, right? I mean, These guys are having their best day ever. So is the frog. So let's talk about a few other things before I let you go. If you choose to do a premium upgrade, you can add a dust cover bag, and these are amazing. You will get a blue one. We chose blue. We thought it went with the painting really well, and it's a great size for it as well. These, you can put your diamond paintings in these. They've got the drawstrings. They keep your diamond painting safe when you travel in your closet. It's great to have. You can also put the tag, my handy dandy little tag that I love so much. You can even hang this on there and have it hanging off of a shelf. These are wonderful to have. They really do come in handy. If you have any other purposes for them or uses, let us know down below. In addition to that, you can also get a premium toolkit. Now, in the past, Munimade, we were selecting the color and the size of the tray, okay? The upgrade tray. But some folks were like, you know what, I want a small one and maybe not a big one, or maybe I want a different color. So she heard you, and now you can choose. There is a drop-down menu. You can choose small or large. You can choose from all the colors of the different filaments, and there's so many to choose from. So she's letting you pick. So thank you, Em, for making that change for us and listening to your customers and hearing the feedback. And I know it was a lot of work, so thank you. So you guys, you get to choose a yellow, a red. You can choose a green. You can choose whatever you want to go with this diamond painting. So definitely grab one of the, if you do, it may take a little bit longer, of course, to get your painting, just by a couple of weeks, because it is made to order. So keep that in mind. Now, if you want a toolkit, you can get a free toolkit. You just have to check the box, free toolkit, to save on waste and things like that. You know, a lot of us don't need toolkits, but if you do need one, just check that box and we'll send one to you. You get a tray, a pen, some blue wax, some multi-placers, everything you need to get going. So this is definitely an option. I wanted to show you that. Oh, and with that premium upgrade, if you do the premium toolkit, you will get this organza bag that's got all kinds of fun goodies. It's got the blue wax, got some washi tape, a cover minder, a pen, tweezers. She really gives you some goodies. So that will come with it. Last but not least, this carrying tube. I love mine. I tell you guys, everybody should have one of these in their toolkit. Everybody should have one of these if you're a diamond painter, because if you go to retreats, if you travel, road trips, whatever, going to a friend's house, these are a must-have. So this just comes right off. Now, it is telescoping, so all you have to do, depending on the size of your diamond painting, like if it's a larger one, you just make the strap longer, right? So it can extend out more, and then it just notches up like this. And there you go. And it holds a really big diamond painting. And it holds multiple diamond paintings, pens, it can hold anything you need. So, and if you do order one of these, if you add this to your order, your diamond painting will ship in this, okay? So definitely, if you don't have one of these, I would grab one. Yeah, I use mine all the time. So with that, and again, it does have her cute little logo right there, and I love the color. So definitely add one of these. What am I forgetting? I think that's everything. So if you can hear the sound of my voice, I got to get myself set up again. If you can hear the sound of my voice, this is available now on munimade.com. Go grab it. If it is out of stock for some reason, by the time you do see this video and you hear my voice, again, just say, you know, back in stock alerts. Just do your back in stock email alerts, and she does restock for this one and others. So if there's something you see on there that is sold out, don't worry, just put it in there and then you will get notified, okay? All right, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because, again, Munimade Mondays, you'll know what's new, what's coming out. You'll get alerted. Make sure that bell's on so that way whenever the videos come out, you will see them immediately, okay? All right, love you guys so much. Happy diamond painting, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye guys.